Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making a traditional Kenyan side dish called Irio, also known as Mukimo. With peas, corn, and baby spinach, this mashed potato recipe is a delicious change from your everyday side. So let's get cooking. In a large pot, we'll add coarse sea salt, our peeled and cubed potatoes, and cold water. We'll place the lid on. It will make the temperature rise faster by trapping the heat, and bring it to a boil. When it gets there, we'll set our timer for 15 minutes. About 4 minutes before they're done, we'll add corn kernels. I'm using a can, but fresh is good too. And also some frozen peas. Of course, these two ingredients will bring the water temperature down. But as soon as it starts boiling again, we'll restart the timer for the remaining 4 minutes. When the cooking time is done, we'll add chopped baby spinach leaves, stir well, and set the timer for 60 seconds. If your potatoes are not fork tender, cook them longer. After the time is up, we'll carefully drain the water from the pot and then roughly mash the ingredients before adding salted butter. I normally use 2 to 3 tablespoons. If you want to add some warm milk, go ahead, but I like my Irio without it. We'll continue mashing until the consistency is nice and smooth. This is not a Kenyan ingredient, but I like adding some garlic salt and, obviously, freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll mash once again until the seasonings are well blended. Another ingredient that is totally not Kenyan is green onions. You don't have to add them, but I think they give a nice taste to the mashed potatoes. We'll mix them in, taste and adjust the seasoning, and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our Irio, also known as Mukimo. Easy to make. This is a colorful and tasty African side dish that complements many proteins. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!